Okay, so what's up, everyone? So today, I'm going to be showing you, as you see that, I'm going to be showing you my trained cat, which his name is Nugget, but I'm going to be calling him Nuggy because that's his nickname. And I'm going to be showing you all his tricks that he can do. Sometimes he doesn't do them every single time. I'll try to get the best as I can. But yeah, so let's get started. So he's actually right here at the moment. Wait, how do I stand you? There he is. He's right there. I need to get you high and low enough so you can see him. Okay, watch this. So I'm right here. Daddy. He sees that he's watched, but there he goes. Hi, boy. Hi, boy. Hi. Kisses. Good boy. Just a good boy. Yeah, just a good boy. Flex. Good boy. Kisses. Good boy. Sit. Oh, he was already sitting. Good job. Okay. So, he knows I don't have to tell him to sit, but he does it. He's a good boy, huh? He's a good boy, huh? So, if you continue to like what I do, okay. High five? Okay. Sometimes he does it, sometimes he doesn't. No, puppy, do it. Okay. Ready? Good boy. Wait, wag tail? Wag tail? Go like this. Ready? Wag tail? Good boy. Such a good boy. Ready? He does a lot of things. We're working on this, so let's see. He might not do it. We're working on this. Maybe move you down a little bit. So I'm working on letting him lay down. Lay down. Lay down. No, not yet. Okay. We're almost there. See, he's kind of like crouching. No? Okay. Anyways, but yeah, I'm pretty sure these are all the tricks that he mostly knows. We're working on what are we working on? We're working on doing like circles. So we're gonna go. So we go on a circle like that. And we're also working on like I said, lying down. So we're working on only two things. He already knows lick, sit, lay down. See, he's almost there. Hey, look, what's this? Oh, he's a good boy. Oh, he didn't scratch me. Good boy. He likes these. What's this? He likes playing a lot. Ooh, good boy. He likes fun. Don't worry, I'm perfectly fine. He did not scratch me. I'm not bleeding. See, I'm not bleeding. I'm not bleeding. So don't worry, I'm perfectly fine. See, I'm not bleeding. Okay, you're such a good boy. My favorite trick to do with him is this. Oop. Sorry about that, guys. This is my favorite trick to do. Let's see if he'll do it. Nuggy, come. Or not. Yes. Mostly always does it. I know a few techniques Let's see what's my favorite. Oh, Wagtail is one of my favorite too because he always does it. Oh, like he does it when I tell him to. Sit is good. I like that one. The most calm one that he does is Come, which he's not doing because he has the itch and like and that stuff. And so the ones that I really like and like I really need to have know is Sit and Come. So those are the two ones that I really want him to know. So it's Sit and Come. And yeah, so he knows about it, it's just not coming. Reggie! I'm not doing it. Come here, Mom. What's wrong? What's wrong? Do you feel bad that you scratched me? Come here, Boogie. Wee! What's that? The camera? Is that the camera? Say hi! Say hi! He's sniffing around. He's a good boy. Go back. Okay, they can see you. You're so big. You're so big. Come here. Stay. Good boy. He knows that too. Let's do it. You're a good boy. Say hi. Press the button for me. Found it. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe down below. And bye, guys. And like and comment if you like me. Press it. No, we can't press it. He lay down. Good boy. Just the camera didn't get it because you. Yeah. Anyways, he said bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye, guys. Hope you like his tricks. Yeah, I hope you like my tricks. Ooh, what's over there? Oh, bye, guys.